Hello students, hope all are safe. Welcome back to e-learning. Today's content: definition of decimal, knowing decimals and converting fractions into decimals. Chapter 5: Decimals. Let us learn about interesting concept of fractions. We have 10 squares, out of which 3 are colored square. In fraction, it is 3 by 10. Next we have 4 colored squares out of 10. In fraction, it is 4 by 10. Finally, we have 5 colored squares out of 10. In fraction, we write this as 5 by 10. But do you know fractions can be written in another form? Yes, 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. 4 by 10 can be written as 0.4, while 5 by 10 can be written as 0.5. These numbers are called as decimals. Definition of decimal. A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a decimal fraction. Examples: 5 by 10, 11 by 100 and 2584 by 1000. Representation of decimal. When we write these decimal fractions using a decimal point, then they are called decimal numbers or simply decimals. Examples: 0.5, 0.11 and 2.584. Parts of decimal number. Example 3.5. The number towards left is whole number part, while the number towards right is decimal part. Between these, there is a dot called decimal point. The decimal point separates whole part and decimal part. Knowing decimals by tens, hundreds and thousands. We have 10 squares, out of which 3 parts are colored in green, which gives us the fraction 3 by 10 for tenths. In the next, the squares are divided as 100 equal parts, out of which 27 parts are colored, which gives us the fraction 27 by 100 for hundreds. Similarly, if 358 out of 1000 parts are shaded or colored, then we can write the fraction as 358 by 1000 for thousands. So 3 by 10, 27 by 100 and 358 by 1000 are termed as decimal fraction of tens, hundreds and thousands. Reading a decimal number. Let us learn how to read decimal number. 16.08. We read this as 16.08. 6.889. 6 is a whole number part and 889 is a decimal part. We read this as 6.889. 10.07. First we read whole number part and then decimal part. So we read it as 10.07. 7.56. Here 7 is a whole number part and 56 is a decimal part. So we read this as 7.56. Converting fractions into decimals. Example: 19 by 10 is equal to 1.9. There are two steps to follow. Count the number of zeros following 1 in the denominator. In denominator we have 10. After 1 we have 1 0. So we write number 19, which is in numerator, as start from right hand side, move towards left count 1 digit and put a decimal point. So 19 by 10 is equal to 1.9. Let us take another example. 257 by 100. There in denominator we have 100. 100 as 2 zeros. Start from right hand side, move towards left hand count 2, then place the decimal point, so we have 2.57. Let us take another example. 36 by 1000. We can count in denominator. We have 3 zeros and count from right hand side 1, 2 and 3. Since no digit, so we will put 0 here. We get 0, 3, 6. Now put decimal point. Since there is no whole number, so we will put 0. So 36 by 1000 is equal to 0.036. 6 by 1000. To get this, first note down 6. We know denominator has 3 zeros. So start from right hand side and move towards left and count there 0, 0, 6. Then we put decimal point. Next, since there is no whole number, we put 0. We get 6 by 1000 is equal to 0.006. 7 by 100. In denominator, we have 100, which has 2 zeros. So we write 07 and put a decimal point. Since there is no whole number, put 0. So we get 0.07. Kindly complete the home assignment in your math notebook. Until we meet again, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.